Hi guys, it's raining today. Let's learn Korean expression for rainy days. Today's 5 words. Number 1. 비가 와요. 오늘은 비가 와요. Today it's raining. Number 2. 우산. An umbrella. 오늘 우산 꼭 챙기세요. Don't forget your umbrella today. Number 3. 빗소리. 빗소리를 들으면 잠이 잘 와요. 빗소리, sounds of rain. I sleep well when I hear the sounds of rain. Number 4. 흐리다. 흐리다. 오늘 날씨가 너무 흐려요. Today weather is so cloudy. Number 5. 젖다. 옷이 젖었어요. My clothes got wet. Do you like rainy day? Be honest, I don't like it. But I like 빗소리. Why do you think so? Tell me your opinion in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye!